exterior restoration, and the Carriage House also the exterior and interior restoration. So the two resources together now reflect their 1860 to 1880 appearance. So we're very, very, very excited to have them both restored and available to the public for tours. So what I would like to do is welcome you all to join me at the Carriage House at 6 o'clock. I'm going to take you all on through, talk to you a little bit about the restoration, what we've been able to accomplish, and also at 6:30, our board president is going to take you all interested people on a walk around our grounds to talk to you about the restoration that's going on there. And at 7, our curator is going to offer a gallery walk of our current exhibit, which I do welcome you to join her and see it. These are all objects from our collection. Many have never been seen before, so it's pretty exciting for us. Also, of course, Acorn Hall is open if you'd like to take a tour of it. There's docents all around that'll help you understand what went on in each place and a little bit more about the history of the building. So without further ado, those of you who'd like to join me over at the Carriage House, please feel free. Thank you so much.
Teardrops are falling from your Spanish eyes. Please, please don't cry. This is just adios and not goodbye. Soon I'll return, your heart can hold. Please say, say you and your Spanish eyes will wait for me. Blue Spanish eyes, prettiest eyes in all of Mexico. True Spanish eyes, please smile for me once more before I go. Soon I'll return, bringing you all the love your heart can hold. Please say, say you and your Spanish eyes will wait for me. Soon I'll return, bringing you all the love your heart can hold. Please say, say you and your Spanish eyes will wait for me. Say